everyone! Once again, this is Host MJ and naririto na naman po tayo sa isang event which is we are celebrating Manuel or Tatay Manuel's 70th birthday. So, we are here at Bulacan, specifically dito sa Metrogate Spring Meadows subdivision and nandito tayo sa kanilang napakalaking clubhouse. Yan. So, later on, we will show you guys what is going to be the event. Ayan, and let's go to our video.
Na pamilya na din po namin.
Basta kahit wala kang pera, huwag lang magkakasakit.
Happy birthday!
Yay! Alright. Okay.
Hindi naman invited.
Hey! So once again, this is your host MJ, of course, the owner of Reina Vieira Events Co. Ayan, so we finally finished the event and nga po, nakapagbigay na naman tayo ng ultimate na saya sa ating celebrant na si Tatay Manuel on his 70th birthday party. So again, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa yan. Alright, of course, Metrogate Spring Meadows. Yan, of course, Clubhouse. Maraming salamat for allowing us to celebrate here on your very big, ang laki ng venue nila to. Actually, and once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our vlogs, and you'll see more events about the coordination of Reina Vieira Events Company along with your host, truly host, MJ Bautista. So once again, create an ultimate event with us. Okay.